Whether they ban TikTok or not, here are three things that you need to consider doing this weekend. The first thing that you need to do is download all of your TikTok videos. You should be doing this anyway, and it's okay if you haven't started because I have a quick way to do it. No, you're not going to manually do it. There's absolutely no way. You have better things to do, like closing sales, building your systems. Pretty much you're downloading your videos into like a Google Drive without a watermark. I personally like to use repurpose.io. So let me show you. The first thing that you're going to do is go to repurpose.io. I'll have the link listed below. There's something called connection. You'll be able to add any connection and look at everything that you can possibly connect. Your podcast, your YouTube, your Drive, even your Dropbox. So if you don't want it to go to your Google Drive, you can have it in a special folder in your Dropbox. Let's just say that you want to connect your Google Drive. Once you do that and go through the back end stuff, you can have workflows. For example, I have every time I post a reel or anything like that, it will go automatically into a designated Google Drive folder. Same thing with my TikToks. If you have videos from the past that you want to upload, this is where you're going to do it. You can either go here where it says fetch content, which it gets any of the missing videos. You can also just manually say publish. So for example, let's say this one. I'm going to put publish and just publish now. It will automatically go in there into my Google Drive. When you are starting to connect, let's say you're starting from scratch and you're going to add a new destination, they will walk you through it. And you can start adding the workflows. Like if I post a TikTok, it will automatically post to YouTube. It will automatically post onto Pinterest. It could be auto or manual. One thing I did forget to add, when you start connecting your workflows, it will give you an option to automatically sync everything. It does tell you it is not recommended, but for this time that we are going through, I would say yes. Sync everything. I have the link below for repurpose.io. I absolutely love it. Recently, I started repurposing to LinkedIn because I know that that's a very missed opportunity for me and for my work that I do. Imagine what industry you're in and how you can start getting more exposure by just simply clicking a few buttons onto Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook. Like you're just setting it up once. Repurposing can be a huge tool. If you have Canva, you can actually schedule out content. Or if you have your favorite scheduler, that's amazing too. Let me show you what I mean. Whether you use this or not, or maybe you have the videos downloaded already. Let's say let's just do a story. Scroll down and search Google Drive. I have my Google Drive already. Now what I can do is put this here. This is the video that I downloaded from repurpose.io. It's in my Google Drive because it's just integrated. It has the sound from TikTok. I probably won't use it. So what I can do, I go to Elements and just put audio and just put like a fun song over it. Now I'm going to turn down, schedule this out. Come up here to share. Remember that this is a pro feature. I want to schedule it tomorrow. I'm going to pick a channel that I've connected. You can select any of these. Instagram, you can do LinkedIn, like you can literally do all the basic ones. I already have connected Pinterest and schedule this out or set it as a draft. Go to Content Planner. It's going to automatically be there for you. That is so cool. Look, little Pinterest one right there. I'm sure that there's other ways that you can repurpose it. As far as YouTube Shorts, at the time of this recording, YouTube Shorts are only allowed to be 60 seconds. So one of the tips that I can give you is if you download these and have them in a Google Drive already, you can get someone on Fiverr to shorten them into 60 seconds. I actually did some research not too long ago, I would say about 5 days or so, and it was giving me the best price that I got was like $2 a video. Imagine you pay $120 for 60 videos that you have. Now you have like 2, 3, 4 months worth of content from old videos that performed pretty well. I love Fiverr. I actually found like 40 videos in a lost card that I had in here. And I just sent it to them like, here, make these a minute or less, add some captions, and then just give them back to me. So just look it up. Look it up on Fiverr saying edit Reels or edit TikTok. Send them a message before hiring. This is what I want to do. Are you open? and take that off your plate. Now, number 3, you need to start a YouTube channel. If you have a system, or if you start your YouTube channel with a system, building a YouTube channel is not going to be a chore. You can record on your phone with a $30 mic, edit it on a phone, or with a very simple to use and affordable editor. I like to use Descript with pretty much most of my videos that I do. Brainstorming, research, record them. Having that step-by-step will give you so much more clarity. It will also give you that upper hand with people in your industry. YouTube can be part of your business plan. It doesn't have to just be something that you want to get famous in. I think the biggest fear that people have is the fear of pretty much committing, because you do have to put out a video every single week, and the lack of what you have to do with YouTube as far as like the editing and the optimize. So I get it. It's scary, but like I said, I'm literally recording. Actually, I have 2, but I have my $20 tripod here. The one that is on my phone right now is also $20. I have my $30 mic. You can start YouTube like that as well. Not everyone has the means to just go and buy a camera right off the bat, and you don't have to. That's the whole point. I know it's all fun and games when it comes to social media and making the videos and creating the content, but even more important than TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest is email marketing. No matter what platform you want to focus on, email marketing is the most important, and that's exactly what I'm going to dive into in the next video.